Welcome back, everyone. I'm Dylan with Sunski Sports, and we're going to be going over another item on the packing list. Today, we're going to be talking about snowboard boots, and specifically some basic features about the boots. When it comes to snowboard boots, you'll notice that they're a little bit more natural looking as compared to a ski boot, something more typical with what you're associating with a winter boot. When it comes to the lacing structure of any boot nowadays, you're either going to find a lace system or a bow system. They're both going to act the same to secure your foot initially into that boot. On more premium boots, you're going to find a secondary bow on the side, which is going to secure your heel back into the heel cup of the boot, giving you a better feel on your board. Now that we've gone over the basics for board boots, we can talk about some binding basics. When it comes to a basic binding, you're going to have your 2-ratchet system to secure your boot to the board, as well as an adjustable high back. When it comes to additional binding options, some brands are now offering strapless systems. When it comes to these systems, they're going to require their own binding-specific boot, whether it be K2's Clicker or Burton's Step-On. Both these bindings are going to improve your riding experience. That's all we have today for snowboard boots and bindings. Please join us next time for more information on the packing list.